Hi, this is Meals Made Simple. I'm going to show you today how to cook the Albufera sauce, which goes extremely well with your Christmas turkey or chicken. The ingredients that we've got are truffle oil, foie gras or smooth pate, double cream, beef or veal stock, 3 or 4 shallots, Madeira or port, some brandy, sherry or white port. First thing to do is to peel and chop the shallots. Add a knob of butter to the frying pan. Add the shallots. Fry for 5 or so minutes. Deglaze by adding all the alcohol. Keep cooking until it's reduced down by half. Once the alcohol is reduced by half, add the veal stock and cook again until it reduces by half. Once the sauce is reduced by half, we need to remove the shallots by filtering them and then adding them back to the pan. Stir in the double cream. Stir in the foie gras until it's melted into the sauce. Add a few drops of truffle oil. And then it's ready to serve.